Hey, it's Aaron here. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out PartnerStack and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Is this a good way to make money or not, right? Or are there better ways to make money on there online, all right? We're gonna check that all out today. At any time, if you wanna get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. Some of them really good, some of them so-so, a lot of them a big waste of time. So let's check out PartnerStack to find out what it is this legit, is this a good way for you to make money on the internet, or are there better ways out there, all right? Now, PartnerStack is basically a very established affiliate marketing network, but they specialize mainly in software as a service programs, so SaaS programs, right? So there are a lot of vendors, a lot of SaaS vendors, so a lot of softwares will come here, they'll work with PartnerStack, they'll build an affiliate program, and then normal people like you and me, marketers, right, can come on here and basically join their program and sell these pieces of software. So here's some of the software that they work with, right? Some very big ones right here: Vimeo, Keep, Typeform, Maropost, right? And to get access to these affiliate programs, you can sign up with PartnerStack. Then you can market the programs to your list or your list of followers, your audience, whatever it is. And when they buy, they send you a commission. That's how it works. It's pretty cool stuff, okay? So how does this work? So all you would do is you would just come down, scroll here, and it says here, earn more with B2B brands. If you're a partner and publisher, you can join the network, right? So I would just click more here so that you can find out a bit more about the program if you want. Okay, so they give you a bit more of a deep dive into how much they paid out. So they work with 300 plus software companies. An annual sales revenue driven by partners almost $400 million per year, and annual paid commissions about $45 million. So they've paid a lot of money out to their marketing partners like you and me. Okay, so if you wanted to join them, you can. I'll explain what are the pros and cons in a minute, and what you need to do in order to start making money with these types of affiliate programs, okay? So all you would do to get started really is just click here, apply to PartnerStack network, and then you would go through the process, okay? Now I'm not going to show you in detail how to do it right now. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you would just fill in all the details, go all the way through the different steps, and at the end of it, they will let you know whether or not you can join their program, all right? Now, after you join the program, these are the different types of products that you can get access to, okay? So these are all their different programs, and you can see that they have all sorts of different SaaS software, right? So this one is a smart fuel card, okay? This one, I can't read that, that's in French, but this one is we buy and operate and scale the most incredible e-commerce tools, right? Shogun here is an e-commerce, empowers over 35,000 e-commerce brands to create exceptional e-commerce businesses, okay? So there's all sorts of different pieces of software, lots and lots of different types. Now, if you look at the commission structure, which is interesting, all of them have different types of commission structure. So for example, Unicode will pay 30% commissions on every new customer that you refer. So this is a very straightforward type of affiliate payout, right? You sell 1 unit of Unicode to one of your members, somebody online, somebody buys through your link, and Unicode will pay you 30% commissions of the price that people pay for Unicode. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Here with AirSlate, you earn up to $80 per referred customer. So this one is more of a price that they're just gonna give you, an $80 commission for every new AirSlate customer that you bring in, okay? Now Rocket Reach, a little bit different, right? So earn 20% on annual subscriptions, and the potential is $2,400 in total earnings, right? Because they probably have some upsells as well, but they pay on annual, okay, instead of per unit, which is a little bit different, right? So all of them are slightly different. 20% here, 20% here, 50% per qualified lead, plus $100 for every successful sign up. So it's a little bit different for every single piece of software that you sign up, and what you need to do is you just need to go through it properly to find out exactly what the payouts are. But let me just say that the payouts are pretty good. Okay, software generally pays quite high, 20%, 30%. I've seen even 50% commissions on some of the products right here, right? And some of them are really, really decent, right? Look at this one, 80% on the first 12 months for every referred subscriber. 80% is really high. $250 for each new lead. Okay, that turns into an opportunity, right? So some pretty good commission rates, I would say overall, right? So in terms of payout, the minimum payout that PartnerStack needs to pay you out as an affiliate, if you decide to join their affiliate program, is $5. So as long as you make $5 commissions, then they can start to pay you out. They pay out once a month on the 13th of every month, they have a 90-day cookie. That means that when somebody clicks on any of your affiliate links, so let's just say you're promoting Octane AI, when they click on your affiliate link, you have 90 days to basically keep that customer. So let's just say the customer, after clicking on your link, maybe 89 days ago, if they go to the Octane AI checkout page straight away after that, you will still get the referral fee, which is pretty cool because 90 days is quite long. A lot of cookies are usually only 30 days, so 90 days is pretty good for PartnerStack, I would say. All right, so overall, I think PartnerStack is a really cool affiliate program. It's an affiliate network, but it's mainly for software as a service, okay, SaaS companies. So if you're a marketer, but you don't really have a strong list of followers, an email list, or maybe you don't have a TikTok channel or a blog where you've got a lot of people that would be interested in software. So maybe you're not really in the the software space, you're not in the tech space, you're not in the freelance space, maybe you're not really marketing to developers or anything like that, then unfortunately this particular affiliate program won't be a good match for you. You have to be a good match, right? So your audience have to be the right people that will want a lot of different software. Okay, does that make sense? So if you're in the internet marketing space, you could use a few of these pieces of software, right? If you're in the affiliate space, perhaps a few of this software. In the web developer space, definitely, right? IT space, yes. But if you're not in any of these spaces, like if you're in the weight loss space, if you're in the mindset space, if you're in the gardening space, then unfortunately, PartnerStack won't be the right affiliate program for you, right? The other thing that I want to mention is that if you're brand spanking new, that means you're brand new, you don't have a following, you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, you don't really know, you've never made money online, then unfortunately PartnerStack doesn't really teach you how to use their platform to make money. Okay, this is really for people that are experienced. Affiliate marketers who already have a list, okay, maybe they've got a big following on social media, maybe you're building some sort of very big tech blog, right? And you can write lots of articles and recommend a lot of different software, then this would be perfect for you, right? But if you're just getting started, then it's gonna be very difficult because you're not gonna understand how to build a following yet, right? Don't worry, stick around. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can leverage affiliate programs like PartnerStack to start generating a lot of income. But if you're a beginner right now today, then it might not be the right step for you right now, okay? But if you're experienced, I think PartnerStack is very cool if you have the right audience. The software audience, people that are interested in buying software from you, okay? You can check it out, partnerstack.com. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're brand new, you're just getting started, you have no idea how to make money online, maybe you're doing a bit of research, right? On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet, okay, which is really, really cool. Some of them really good, some of them so-so, some of them not so good at all right? But out of all of them, out of the good ones, I've distilled all the strategies into one strategy that I think that an absolute beginner, someone who has never made money online before, has the best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and I've got a free masterclass that will show you step by step how to do that if you would like. So just click the link below and I'll share that free masterclass with you and you can go through it if you want. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this review of PartnerStack. All the best to you, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.